Tired of clicking the same buttons over and over again in Adobe Illustrator? Let's dive into the world of automation using batch scripts, supercharging your workflow and reclaiming your time. First, open Adobe Illustrator and make sure you have the artwork you want to automate already prepared. The magic happens in the Actions panel. You'll find it under Window, then choose Actions. This is where you can record a series of steps. Now, think about what you want to automate. For example, we could all of a sudden resize a bunch of logos. Now, to start recording, click on Create New Action, labeled with a plus symbol on the bottom right corner. A new window will appear. Give your action a name, like resize to 50px. You can assign a function key or shortcut for quick execution, but it's optional. Click Record. Illustrator is now recording every step you take. Go ahead and do the edits you want. In the example we're using, we'd adjust the size of the artwork by going to Object, then picking Transform, and then choose Scale the percentage, and then click OK. When you're done, click the Stop button in the Actions panel. Your action is saved in the Actions panel. It now records everything you had just accomplished. Now, put the file away, or many files you wish to edit. To run the action on multiple files, go to File, Automate submenu, and Batch. In the Batch menu, choose your action and your source files. You can apply it to open files, or select a folder with multiple files. Select your target folder where you want the modified files to be saved, and how you want them named. Click OK. Illustrator will automatically apply those changes to every single one of your source files. It's that simple. And there you have it. You've just saved yourself a ton of time. Experiment with different actions and discover how powerful batch scripting can be. Now go automate.